Bill. I've read that in Samkhya they posit 24 categories of existence in addition to Purusha, which is eternal, the result of Prakriti. And the first of these I read is Mahat, and sometimes translated as universal intelligence. Could you explain Mahat? I don't get it.
Yes. Mahat is taken, so in the Sankhya system is dualistic, and there are two ultimate categories, ultimately. One is Purusha, consciousness, which we are, each of us, really speaking. Not the body, not the mind, just consciousness itself. And the other one is Prakriti, nature, everything else. The entire physical universe, time, space, matter, energy, our bodies, even our minds, our intellects, all of that. So, according to Sankhya, Mahat is the first evolute from Prakriti, which is cosmic intelligence. Think about it this way. The awareness which we have just after deep sleep, we awaken into a sense of our existence, even before the I am. The I am is already ego. After waking up from deep sleep, I am, and then I am sleeping, this is morning, and I'm awake now, all of that comes. But before that, a sense of awareness comes. That is an example to show how from the seed Prakriti, Mula Prakriti, intelligence appears first. And then an ego, which is associated with the intelligence, because Ahankara is the next one after Mahat. I guess that's all that one can say. And this is not at our individual level, this is at a cosmic level.
Does it influence my own intelligence?
Our own intelligence is a part of that Mahat. Again, I'm giving you Vedantic interpretation of that. Because Sankhya does not speak about a cosmic intelligence. Vedanta alone speaks of a cosmic intelligence. All our minds together is the cosmic mind, of which the cosmic intelligence is a part. I think we'll have to leave it at that.